I am going to suck people into the vacuum cleaner. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah. La.
Yeah. I suck people in the vacuum cleaner.
Dark Bowser, don't tell me that you'd suck people into the vacuum cleaner, because I know that you sucked people into the vacuum cleaner.
Yes. I suck people into the vacuum cleaner.
Oh my god, Dark Bowser! How dare you suck everyone into the vacuum cleaner? You know that it's impossible to do that. That's it. I'm sucking everyone out of the vacuum cleaner right now. Now go home while I call your parents.
Oh my god. Dark Bowser. We cannot believe that you sucked people in the vacuum cleaner. That's it. You are grounded for 6,548 years.
And as a punishment, we are going to suck you into the vacuum cleaner to see how you like it.
No.
Please don't suck me into the vacuum cleaner. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for sucking people into the vacuum cleaner.
Apology denied. We are going to suck you into the vacuum cleaner, and that's final. We're going to suck you into the vacuum cleaner right now. That'll teach that spoiled brat not to suck people into the vacuum cleaner.
I agree with you, Bowser.